Today, we're going to build a flash speeder using 14 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a good old-fashioned classic 1x2 brick. And on that 1x2 brick, we're going to attach two 1x1 plates with ring clips. You're going to put it so that the ring clip part goes into the bottom part of that 1x2 brick like this. And we're kind of creating like the wings of our speeder. And we're going to do it with two ring clips in the back of our 1x2 brick. And now next, to kind of make this more secure so it's not falling apart, we're going to grab a 1x2 plate with open end handle. And you're going to put it so that the studs are actually in the back of our speeder, and these holes go into the ring clips we just put on the back of our 1x2 brick. And the handle piece is facing up. So we kind of got the back of our speeder created by that open end handle. And now we're going to build this thing forward. And the next thing we're going to do is grab headlight bricks in green. And now these headlight bricks are going to go on top of the 1x2 brick so that the stud is facing up top. So we're going to do it 2 times to create the, match the width of our speeder all the way across. And then to make this more secure so these things aren't moving around, we're going to grab a 1x2 plate piece and put it right there across both headlight bricks. And once that's on, you know, the flash speeder has more of a coned or rounded front. And to create that effect, we're going to grab 2 of these cheese wedge slopes in green and put them on that 1x2 plate so that the thin end is on the side and it slopes up to the center. I'm going to do that to both sides to kind of create that rounded front of the flash speeder. Now we've got these 2 studs of the headlight brick still exposed. That's where our windshield is going to go. And for our windshield, we're just going to use more of these cheese wedge slopes, this time in translucent clear, and put them so the thin end is in front and it slopes up to the back. And we're going to do it 2 times to create the windshield of our flash speeder. And that effect's done in a lot of different vehicles, so we should be pretty familiar with that. Now for the wings of the flash speeder are green and not this dark gray. So what we're going to do is get 1x1 tile pieces and put it on top of the studs of those 2 plates with ring clips that are kind of sticking out the side like this. And now we've got the flash speeder. The only thing we're missing is this is a military vehicle and it needs a gun, because Lego may be against war, but Star Wars is all about fighting. So here we're going to grab a claw piece and put that claw piece into the center of our open end handle. Put it in there, move it forward so you can shoot any droid army that might be in front of you. And here you've got a nice completed flash speeder from Star Wars.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.